It's snowing here in Southern California. Just kidding. Obviously it's not snowing here in Southern California, but if you live somewhere where it's about to snow or it's already snowing, I'm gonna show you how to clean, maintain your car, and protect it all at the same time using some of our Hydro line products. Stay tuned. To start off our washing process, we're gonna be using 3 items. Our Chanel wash mitt, the one and only Hydro Suds ceramic car wash soap. This is a great soap because it's gonna allow you to clean your car and give it ceramic properties all in one. And we're gonna be pairing our Hydro Suds ceramic car wash soap with our Big Mouth foam cannon. I have at least 3 ounces in here, so that's equivalent to 3 squirts. The way you do that is you fill up your foam cannon with water, you get your Hydro Suds, and you pump it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, that's all you need. 4 if you wanna get a little crazy. First things first, we're gonna wanna rinse off our surfaces. So that's everything from the top all the way to the bottom to the wheels and tires. This way, we're not causing any scratches and swirls when washing our car, especially when we come into the contact process. Now, a lot of you guys, like we said earlier, are probably experiencing snow or are about to, and you gotta keep in mind, there's a lot of salt on the road now. So always be extremely cautious when rinsing down your car. You wanna give it the best rinse. This way, in the long run, we're not causing any harm. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of water drag on the surface. That's because there's no protection on this, but we're gonna change that with our Hydro line products. So stay tuned for that. So now that we're done thoroughly rinsing the car, now it's time for honestly the best part of the show, the foam cannon. All you gotta do is just pull back on the quick release, insert it, and just like that, hear that click, and you're good to go. And the cool thing about Hydro Suds is that once it comes in contact with the surface, I know that's gonna do the job to not only clean, but protect it as well. So right now, when I get my Chanel wash mitt and I'm cleaning my car, I know not only am I gonna get a clean finish, but I'm gonna get a protected surface as well. So that's pretty cool, huh? Now, I am working on outdoors. The sun is shining right now. So I'm gonna be doing half of the car. Once I'm done scrubbing this, I'm gonna refoam the other side and scrub it once again. This way, we're avoiding any possible harm that can be caused due to the sun. So now moving on to the scrubbing process, we're gonna be doing this with our Chanel wash mitt. And keep in mind, you guys, you wanna always move in straight lines, never in circles. This way, you know, we're not causing any harm to the paintwork, nothing at all. But the cool thing about washing your car with Hydro Suds and a Chanel wash mitt is that, look, the same passes that are basically helping me and allowing me to clean this car are also the same passes that are allowing me to work in that ceramic property onto the surface, giving me that protective finish that I'm looking for and searching for. Because, like I said, the winter's coming. Winter is here. Put like some Game of Thrones like effect on me. But yeah, winter's coming. It's around the corner. The last thing we want is for our cars to get all messed up due to the elemental factors. I'm not 6'7", and I gotta clean the top of the car. So the wash mitt allows me to reach areas that I can't normally. If I need to go higher too, it extends a lot more. But if I just need it for a short term, it'll go in as well. Shout out to Wash Mouth. So now we're done scrubbing the car, we're done rinsing it off. I had to dry it, and this thing is pretty big. So I wanna cut my drying time in half, and what's gonna allow me to do that is my Hydro Dry ceramic drying aid, pairing it with my Megalodon drying towel. The reason why this is gonna allow me to cut the time in half is because the ceramic properties in this are gonna reduce water drag on the surface, making it easier to pick up when I come with my drying towel. So I'm gonna show you that process right now. So moving on to the drying process, I'm gonna show you this water drag. Now check this out. If I come with my drying towel, sometimes I may get a little streaks behind, but that's because there's no protection on this. The water is embedding and sticking onto the surface, which makes it a little bit more tedious to work with. But let me rinse off the surface one more time. Say you just finished rinsing off your car, you get your bottle of your Hydro Dry ceramic drying aid and mist it on the surface. You could already see the product working. It's already trying to spread that water drag and reduce it. So once you're done spraying it, all you have to do now is just rinse it off, come in with your drying towel, and dry it off. Watch this. Just like that. Look at that, no water drag. So now when I come in with my drying towel and I put it on the surface and I give this a nice dry, bam, it's that easy and that quick. And if I come around with my water once again, I'm still giving my car that protection that I need. Bam, doesn't get any better than that, you guys. So now let me just spray this thing down, dry it up, and move on to the next step. So now that we got the car all washed up, all dried up, now it's time for that cherry on top with our final wipe down spray. And that's gonna be our 𝗃𝗃𝗍𝗃 hybrid ceramic spray wax. And it's real simple to use. And there's multiple ways of using this. One way, mist it onto the surface. Or you can mist it onto your towel and then just work it in like any other spray wax. The cool thing about this one is that you're getting the benefits of a carnauba wax. So that's gonna be that high gloss shine, but you're getting that protection of a ceramic. So durable protection, high gloss shine, you're not gonna beat that no matter what you do. And just like that, we got this thing washed, looking all nice, but most importantly, we got it protected because the elements are around the corner, whether it's rain, snow, whatever it might be, pollen, dirt, grime, we're protected, we're covered, and we're ready for our next car wash. And then let's break it down, what we did in this video. We washed our car with our HydroSud ceramic car wash soap. This allowed me to wash the car, clean it up, and protect it. We followed up with the drying process with our Hydro Dry ceramic drying aid. Now this allowed me to cut the drying time in half and apply that ceramic on it. So we finished washing it, we finished drying it, then we took the extra mile, we took the extra step to apply another layer of wax and ceramic at the same time with our 𝗃𝗃𝗍𝗃 hybrid ceramic spray wax. So the results are there. The car is clean and protected. As always, I'm Alex. It's a pleasure being here with you guys once again. See you guys on the next one.